Good morning, St Andrews. I hope the first video was useful and you've all been able to log on to your St Andrews classrooms. On this video, we're going to demonstrate how to navigate St Andrews School online so that you can access your teachers, your lessons, and the work that they have set. You can either use OneNote Classroom on the online version, as we showed you yesterday, or you can download the app. Some students are finding that simpler to use. You can use it on your phone, on a tablet, or on any laptop or computer. When you log on for the second time, you should see this. Your recent activities will come up. The first thing that we need you to do, just as you would when you arrive at school, is find your tutor group. And we need you to register. If you don't register, you can expect a phone call from the school, someone asking where you are and if there's a problem or if you've not been able to get hold of your online tools. So once you find your tutor group, it does just take a few seconds to load all of these pages, and every time you get the welcome to class notebook. Find the register. You might find a nice little note from your tutor, in the case of Mrs T, and then she's set it up so that you go to today's date. Type in your name and the time. Other tutors might ask you to put your name, the date, and the time as well. There we go. The next thing we need you to do is decide what lesson you're going to next. So you click on the three lines and then, for example, go to English. Again, you get the Welcome to Class Notebook page. Once that has loaded, depending on your internet speed, you then have the two areas that we talked about yesterday, the collaboration space and the content library. So in the content library, you should find your lessons. So here we have one called Scene 8 Work, where the teachers put two resources that can be downloaded and some instructions. So right click on the document and save as. Then it should download and you can save it to any folder that you like on your device. There we go. Teachers might do the same thing with PDFs as well. We're trying not to load PowerPoints because they're very large file sizes. Then you will see in your personal student area, you have 4 sections: handouts, quizzes, homeworks, and class notes. If you go into homework, what you can do here is talk to your teacher. So this is an interface between you and your class teacher that nobody else can see in your class. So in black, you have there some comments from the teacher, and in red, the student has replied. Then the teacher has asked in black there if the student could please go and sign in the register. But in fact, what the student had found is that there's a problem with the register. For some reason, it won't load. It says the content isn't available. So what you can do on that homework page, again in red, is just write a note to the teacher and say, there seems to be a problem. So if there's anything that isn't working or you need help, please let us know and we'll get onto it as soon as we have ESCOM and internet. Teachers are working very long hours at the moment to make these resources available to you. So please keep talking to us. Great. What you might then want to do, if you've been set a task like an essay, is to add a page in your homework area for English with a suitable title. And then you can insert file, just as you would in an email. Choose your file. Find your essay in your folder when the computer's ready. There we go. Open and insert. And then this is a really easy way of your teacher being able to find your work and your essays, and they can obviously give you feedback in this space on this page, just as they would in your notebook in class or in person. Great. Then those are the main things we wanted to show you today: how to download, interact with your teacher, and how to upload again. There are other things and other functionality available here, which we may do another video. And then it's up to you, according to the programme of your day, whether you have a break now or choose another lesson. Go to those lines again at the top left and choose another subject like geography. Keep the learning going, St Andrews. Have a good day.